Donald Trump pled not guilty on Tuesday to 34 felony counts of falsifying business records relating to his alleged role in hush money payments near the end of his 2016 presidential campaign. This is the first time a former president has been required to plead not guilty to criminal charges. In a sitting before Judge Juan Merchan in Manhattan's criminal court, the indictment was unsealed. Trump was surrounded by his attorneys in the courtroom as prosecutors presented their case against him, alleging he made unlawful and clandestine payments to influence the 2016 presidential race. If convicted, he faces a maximum of 4 years in prison. When asked his plea, Trump said, "Not guilty." Chris Conroy, the prosecutor, testified in court that Donald Trump engaged in an illegal conspiracy to benefit his campaign and undermine the election. Trump repeatedly and fraudulently manipulated New York company documents to conceal criminal behavior that concealed damaging information from the voting public during the 2016 presidential election, according to the statement of facts filed by prosecutors in conjunction with the indictment. It described 3 recipients of hush money: adult film actor Stormy Daniels, Playboy model Karen McDougal, and a former Trump Tower doorman who claimed to have information about an illegitimate kid Trump fathered. Trump enters a not guilty plea to 34 felony charges. Former Trump attorney Michael Cohen paid Daniels $130,000, while McDougal and the doorman were paid $150,000 and $30,000 by AMI, the proprietors of the National Enquirer. The Enquirer later determined that the doorman story was false and intended to release the doorman from the deal, but waited until after the election at Michael Cohen's insistence, according to prosecutors. In the summer of 2017, Trump invited AMI CEO David Pecker to the White House for dinner, according to a court complaint. According to the indictment, all of the fraudulent documents Trump approved in 2017 occurred while he was president. Alvin Bragg, the Manhattan district attorney, told reporters that the fraudulent statements were intended to conceal additional offenses, including violations of New York election law and federal campaign contribution limitations. The legal issues, media spectacle, and porn star hush money salaciousness at the center of the case constitute a fresh chapter in the career of the New York tycoon turned TV star turned politician, whose career has veered from controversy to success over the course of 4 decades. This time, unlike his bankrupt casinos or failed marriages, many of Trump's supporters and detractors argue that the fate of American democracy hangs in the balance as the former president increasingly conflates any legal troubles with an attempt to illegitimately prevent him from returning to power. For more updates, please subscribe and check our official websites.